The MHA is issuing a fresh advisory to all states and union territories. The advisory coming from the Home Ministry to maintain highest alert on all places of gathering in this festive season. The advisory is to guard all senior political figures also with utmost sincerity. Nikunj is on the phone with us with more details on this particular advisory. Now, Nikunj, leading up to the festive season, of course, this advisory coming in, but also specifics about guarding all senior political figures. Nikunj, if you can hear us, details of this advisory coming in from the MHA right now? Well, we try and reconnect with Nikunj for the details of this, but the sources are telling us that the Home Ministry has issued a fresh advisory now. This is to all states and union territories to be on the highest alert. This is, of course, due to festival timing and also leading up to elections. There will be political congregations. The alert is to maintain the highest security at all places of gathering and also to guard all senior political figures with maximum sincerity, as any attack on them could potentially result into large-scale panic. Nikunj is with us now. Nikunj, if you can hear us, then the details of this advisory coming from the MHA, also specifics about political figures being guarded with utmost sincerity.
Yes, that's the important point they make in this fresh advisory that they have just issued some half-hour back to all the states and the union territories. They're basically wanting to say that this is now poll fever. This is now going to be election time, and senior cult political figures from all sides would be busy in the process of electioneering, and would also be touching at places which may generally not be on the top of the security grid radar of the state governments and the union territories. And that is why they are also wanting to make a point that at least when the senior political leaders are attending or addressing political rallies in places which are far-flung, where the security paraphernalia may not be available to that kind of levels which the leaders are generally guarded to, the state administrations and the local law enforcement agencies must try and make all distinction for those senior political figures so as to ensure that there is a foolproof security arrangement for such senior political leaders. And the worry is that if unfortunately any attack on any political personality succeeds, then it can certainly result into large-scale panic and mayhem and a reaction from the followers and supporters of such political leaders. So that's the entire worry of the Ministry of Home Affairs. Obviously, this advisory has come on advice and the inputs of the Intelligence Bureau also, which is gathering certain